stream, I will be trying to compile DoomRL because I got to try to figure out how to set up these certain compilers, and I don't know how to set this one up. One moment. So, supposedly, what I have to do is I have to download the development branch of DoomRL, which is Doom the roguelike, right? And then I need to copy the bin3 and all this stuff. DoomRL, yes, Doom the roguelike. Here, I'll show you. I like using the console version. It is a... Bro has a cat. Yeah, I do have a cat. This is a roguelike game. That was... what is this? It's a roguelike game that's been around for a long time. But yeah, I've played it for a long time. I want to make an episodic mod, but the newer versions of Doom the roguelike have glaring bugs for the console version. Oh my god. Glaring bugs for the console version, like I can only use the arrow keys, I can only use the up and down arrow keys to target. I can't use I can only use the left and right keys to target. I can't use the up and down keys to target, which makes no sense. Where did Milo go? I don't know. He's off causing trouble. Anyway, I have to try to figure out how to compile this thing. So, I tried reading how to do this, and the idea, I think, is to have DoomRL and then the core of the game, the core engine of the game, called FPC Valkyrie, Free Pascal Valkyrie, in the same folder, or in the same master folder. See, DoomRL uses a lot of Pascal, but Pascal is the engine. Pretty much everything else is just Lua. So, yeah. Also, I tried asking on the Discord how to do this, and they said that this README right here is out of date. So, there's a new place for the folders that I just said they have to copy. The README hasn't been updated yet. Check the pull request for DoomRL. There's a new and better README there. What does it mean, check the pull request? I don't know Git that well. Pull request. Features, VS Code, Workplace. Speaking of Lua, I need to add a lot of stuff. Yeah, dude, that would be so sick if you could do Lua, because I really worked on that Lua thing, and I think Lua's really cool. This update provides the Visual Studio Code workspace instructions for use. Potential impacts to the code base. DoomRL.res renamed to DRL.res. Compilation issue was occurring. Don't worry, I did a fresh pull. I'm trying to target a custom 5.4 version. What's the 5.4 version of Lua? Here. I don't know if you can. Can you see a tail? Can you see the tail here? This I think is 5.2. It's the latest. What is the difference between 5.1 and 5.2? Hey, Milo. He loves it when I give him aggressive pats. Um, Interesting. Anyway, so DuRL LPI no longer references bin Lua appeared to be deprecated. That's going to be weird. Makefile PC relocated to old. So this uses free Pascal. It uses Lazarus. If you've ever used Pascal and Lazarus, I've never really seriously used Pascal. But this is it. Just like with, okay, it has a version. Yeah, it has a change log version. Cool. Not sure how this, but Makefile just requires FPC to be in the path. I'm using it on WSL to links builds. Updates to the README. Updates to the README. Let's try. No. So where's the... Okay, there's that. Basically, I'm trying to figure out how to build this. Updates to README to include non-IDE updates. If referencing... So where is this? Where is this file? So this string, the if referencing, does not exist on this. So where is this? How do I pull this file? I'm really stupid when it comes to Git. What branch is this? I am stupid. How do I... Files changed. It shows on the open thing after the from. So if I go to commits, that's copy. Comment on this file, display source, view file. Here we go. I'm smart. SMRT. Okay, so here we go. The free Pascal source code released is provided as is. You can try, oh shit. You can try compiling it using the latest version of Lazarus. You also need the FPC Valkyrie library version 9.0, which is what I have. You also probably need the binary files of the full game downloadable from DoomRL, DRL, the particular sound, high quality, music, and MP3. The pre-made DRL and the core watt if you don't want to create it yourself. There are two IDs available: Visual Studio Code and Lazarus. You should only need one of them. I'm just going to use Lazarus. Yeah, down here is Visual Studio. Setting up the source folder. Download DRL source. Okay. Download the DRL binaries. That's annoying. copy the DLLs from DRL binaries into bin. Okay, here we go. So we got, this is the source. Source is going to be on the left. And we got the bin, and I'm going to use the 9.9.8 on the right. I'm going to try this out. Into bin. So I'm going to go into bin, and I'm going to copy SDL2, SDL image in mixer, fmod. Can I move them over here? If referencing 0.9.9.8 or less, MP3, Wave HQ, if referencing 9.9 or higher. Let me go back and see if I can't use this. Aha, 9.8, here we go. So we're going to go into data. We're going to, I don't have high quality music, but let's just try this then. Wave HQ, MP3, and Control C. Move it to bin, data, and data DRL HQ. No, I could do low Q. Let's do that. Let's do that. We're gonna go all into here. We're also gonna compare Lua files. Those look correct. Sounds, and we're gonna move all the sounds. Cool. Okay, I'm in the bin folder. Download FPC Valkyrie to your folder at the same level as the DoomRL source. FPC Valkyrie, it's right here. Okay. Ensure DoomRL and FPC Valkyrie on the same release branch, master or development. But if I'm right, I can't switch. So cd FPC Valkyrie git branch. I don't think FPC Valkyrie has a dev branch. No, it does. How to check out different branch git. Milo is looking at the stuff. No, I don't want to second. Oh my god, it's blinding me. Switching branches. New branch. Git checkout development. Git stash. Git stash drop. Git checkout development. Git pull. No, what? Oh, come on. Milo is looking at the looking in the box. Git pull other branch. Basically, there's a development branch. I want to pull it. I'm just gonna try cloning the FPC. Hello. So I want to cd FPC Valkyrie. Basically, I'm here and I want to switch branches. Git switch branch. How do I pull? Because when I tried to check out the development branch, I made my own local development branch, and that's not what I want. Yeah. I want the actual branch of that Git project. Git branch R. Okay. Okay. Look, I want to switch to origin development. How to switch to remote branch Git. Git fetch. Git branch VA. Okay. Git switch development. Okay, look, wait, hang on. Git pull. Wait, oh, wait, hang on. Did I already did I switch to it? Did I switch to it? And it just, okay, so now it's no longer remote. It's now local. So okay, okay, cool. In that case, we can carry on. Make sure the same level. Make sure that so they're now both on the development branch. Dependency now. DRL uses a few sophisticated Lua tricks, however. 5.1 specifically is compulsory. DRL references DLL by name and dynamic headers are written against 5.1. Okay. Help. So I have 5.1. Upgrade probably won't work due to the name changes in the environment tables. Initially. The reason to keep 5.1 compatible for both DoomRL and DoomRL was due to the Lua GIT compatibility. That point is moot now. Interesting, Desp. So if you want to do Lua GIT, interesting. So download Lua 5.1, add Lua 5.1 to your path, download FPC. Lazarus. I'm going to use Lazarus because this is what's always been used. And look, I know Visual Studio is awesome, but we'll use Lazarus. Download 5.1, Lua, add it to the path. I have it. Download install lasers 54-bit, yep, 64-bit, not 54-bit. Open source makewad. DoomRL source makewad.lpi with lasers. Build. You should receive bin makewad.exe success. We should see. Build. Project. Source. I don't know how to do this. Build. We're compiling. Uh-oh. What's going on? Warning, hence. Pascal is such a wild language because, like, my Altair would use it. Like, so many people used Pascal back in the day, like Turbo Pascal 3.0. Like, and it's really good. And, like, it came with its own IDE and compiler. I should really get into it more, like, honestly. I think it was a success. We built it. We built part of it. Start a command prompt and change to the bin folder, run makewad. So I haven't built DoomRL. We're gonna do the makewad right now. So we're gonna do to the bin. And the reason I'm building the latest version of this, Pascal is good at this, but yeah, I really want to get into, I should do that, you know. Let me, on a future stream, do Turbo Pascal 3.0 on the Altair and try to see what I can make happen. Because I think it's a really cool language that I've never dove into. And then it says makewad.exe. Okay. Can't load library Lua 5.1.dll. What is this error? Yo, King. Right now I'm running into this error. So I have Lua in path. But why is it not running? Still working on the TI language. King, no, I'm not, but I am working on DoomRL right now. The Doom the roguelike, which uses Lua, which is what I use that language. Or a different language. King, you're thinking of Axe. No, I haven't abandoned it, obviously. I just jump around different streams and stuff. But I'm trying to build a roguelike game. It's not my game, obviously, but, like, I'm trying to build it. Here, copied over, still getting. Looks like you're using C64 Rails, and that's compiling C4 compiling. You must be using the 32-bit version. Do I need... Do I need... This is... Wait a minute. Do I not have the right version? Nice. Right, Axe. Yes, exactly, Axe. I've been trying to fiddle with Figma for the past 2 days and convert my boring static website into a modern static site hosted on Cloudflare. Oh yeah, I added custom stuff already to my new version of Lua. Nice. Right, yeah, you can do plus equals. That's pretty cool. There is a chance that I actually have the wrong. Do we have the wrong version of Lazarus? Why is this not working? So it's telling me to, you know what? I'm going to go to the Discord. I am getting an error when I try to run makewad.exe. I found an old thread saying that this was due to using a 64-bit version of Lazarus instead of a 32-bit version, so switch to 32-bit. But the readmes say to use 64-bit. Lua is in my path. He's behind the TV. Oh, a kitty cat. Do you need to go outside? Okay. Okay, he's out of the room. Okay, seriously, what is going on? Why can I not build this? What is going on? What is going on? I'm trying to figure out why can I not build this? And seeing Lua 5.1.dll. So I have Lua being built. Let's try this. Lua 5.1 download. There's a chance that Lua 5.1. Fix a problem in manifest files used by default and prevents from working on 64-bit. So Windows, no, I don't want libraries. Is there like a way to download Lua as a 64-bit for 64-bit instead of 32-bit? That's the only thing I can really think of. Did I just not? What am I doing? Lua, I have no idea. We're gonna try this, folks. I got no idea. Okay, here's the stuff. I am really worried. Let me try. Let me try copying this to over here. Wait, what? I think it's Cloudflare. I think I used Lua Rocks. Let me take this. I'm going to try to add Lua manually to the path. There's a lot of dead air here, but okay. So let me extract this. Let me copy this to Lua here. I'm going to edit we're going to try uninstalling Lua. Okay, we're going to close that, close this, close this, we're going to open it up again. I'm going to try Lua. Okay. That's okay. Add Lua 5.1 to your path. The location will be referenced as Lua. We're still working on it. We're still working on it. Okay. Okay, let's try this. Let's try this. Yeah, Des, you're working hard, bruh. Des, I'm working hard too. Wait, what do you mean it can't load library? Hang on. What did it say? It said first do make wad. We're gonna go here, we're gonna go source, we're going to go to make wad LPI. Unit test, man, unit tests just suck. We're gonna try rebuilding this. Okay. Just got this 60. Okay, does that mean... Dude, unit tests, no one ever writes unit tests. Okay, I'm trying to speed run this. I didn't think I'd have to actually... It said it's referenced as Lua, it's referenced as a, I guess we just... Why is this not working? It's because it's not Lua 5.1.exe. Well then... I'm gonna try rebuilding the whole thing. Hang on. It worked. I ran Makewad without it failing. Next, it got a 64-bit version in the path variable 2, not just Lua. Okay, I'm documenting how I fix it. I'm being a good boy. So that was kind of a nightmare. So then I want to actually build DoomRL. So let's try this. Let me build Doom the roguelike, and if I can, that'd be sick. So I'm in here, DoomRL source, look up DRL. DRL.lpi. 10,000 loops takes 20 milliseconds. Is that good? Kernel Kazawala. I don't know how to spell his name. So then I should just build it. Okay. So I should just build it. Let's try building it. How long does Doom the roguelike take? Whoa. DRL.exe, build success. Open up the run parameters screen. Correct the working directory to point to your bin folder. Run parameters, okay. Run parameters. Point it to point it to my bin folder. Should be under 2 milliseconds. That's pretty great. Working directory, yep. Also note the command line parameters, which may change the application's behavior. So I want sounds, but okay. Run to build packages, open the command prompt at the DoomRL root folder. So I'm going to do that. Okay. And then do Lua 5.1 make file dot Lua all. FPC is not recognized as an internal or external add Lazarus to your path to support the release package build. Okay, so let me just try running this, and then I can fight that later. Oh, okay. Run parameters, working directory. Menu run parameters. What the fuck is going on? I'm gonna try just running the console version. Alright. Oh, that's preview. Display, that's kind of fun. That's cool. Let's try just running it now. Look at that. We don't have music. Oh, it's no sound, right? Beta 9 or 6C. Oh, maybe he just isn't. Maybe he hasn't renamed it. Oh, right. I can do all the challenge games. Sweet. I have DoomRL working. Okay. One thing I absolutely hate about this is I'm hitting F to fire, to shoot. See, before you were able to hit fire and then like hit F to aim and then move your target, but no, I have to hit T to choose target, and then I have to hit F, and that's not my targeted square. And if I want to move the target square, I have to hit Control and hold the goddamn arrow keys. And I see, look, it's working just fine at the goddamn graphical version, But in the console version, parameters. I will fix the no sound eventually. In the console version, I still can't fire, so then if I hit T to target, I can move around, and then if I hit F to fire, I'm now stuck firing in that same location. And if I want to move the goddamn targeted square, I take control, I can move left and right, but up and down don't do anything. So that's what I'm gonna have to fix later. So now that I got this building, I'll fight with the music later. And now I'm going to try to get up and down arrow keys working in the console version, because no one likes the console version because they're trying to get rid of it, even though I love it all the time. Anyway, that's it. That was a pretty short stream, I know, but I gotta sleep for work and stuff. And yeah, I will probably revisit this later on. I have quite a few choice words for this game's direction. I don't agree with everything they've done with it, but they made it really nice. They made it really great, but I do have some words. And now that I have a working working environment, I will see what I can do. Oh, and with that, I'll catch you next time. Good night.